Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lasher-Walker. Welcome to 1 Minute Mixology. This episode, we're going to make a signature drink using Mr. Black's Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur called the Cold Fashioned. An interesting twist on numerous coffee cocktails that we've seen throughout the years, the cleverly named Cold Fashioned is a whiskey old-fashioned variation with Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur at the heart of the drink. Created by the Mr. Black Spirits team back in 2018 as a way to engage with consumers and bartenders, the Cold Fashioned has a couple of different recipes but is super easy to make at home. In our adaptation, we use equal parts Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur and bourbon whiskey, built in the glass, stirred over one large ice cube and garnished with an orange twist. Guys, thank you for tuning in and watching this episode. I hope you liked it. If you want to see a specific drink or an ingredient, leave it in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, then follow me on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and at tomlasherwalker.com as well. And until next time, I will see you then. Salut.